Alright guys, here we go. We just finished the torque sequence on this guy. So we've run through them all. We did, if you notice there's some gray stuff down here, we did go ahead and use our ARP, and I'll try to put a link to it if anybody needs some. ARP Ultra Torque. It's supposed to give a more consistent pull on all of the fasteners, and so we went ahead and we did the top of the cap, the underside of the head of the bolt, and the threads down in the block. Anyway, Rusty, would you care to do the honors? Look at that. And let's see, do what you were doing earlier, Rusty. Just set it right there. Look at that. The weight of the torque wrench pulls it down. Pretty sweet. That's a good feeling right there.